all of my fidgets. First, this dimple. Next is this unicorn splat ball. Next is this dimple digits. Next is this circle poppet. Next is this big Among Us poppet. Next is this rainbow circle giant poppet. Next is this square rainbow poppet. Next is this Sharknado. Next is this DNA ball. Next is this bat poppet. This flower poppet. Mini poppet. Fluffy slime. A globby, I don't know where the other one is. Bead stress ball. Fidget spinner dimple. Orby stress ball. 2 roller rings. Pea popper. Poppet. Come back for part 2.